I've worked closely with the Feyenally team as a lead mentor, and it's been great to see them in action. They're taking on a really forward-looking idea, something that could change how we check eyes in the future. It's a bold idea, but they are the team that makes you think, yeah, they can do this. It's my pleasure to introduce CEO Peter Kruszinski of Feyenally.
Over the last century, we have reinvented how we fly. We have revolutionized how we communicate. But one thing hasn't changed: how we test our eyes. Somehow you still sit in a chair, lenses click in front of your face, and someone asks, which is better, one or two? For healthcare providers, this outdated process is a bottleneck. Patients wait weeks for basic vision tests simply because there aren't enough optometrists. Routine exams crowd clinics and keep specialists from focusing on complex care. The result? Specialists are overbooked, burnt out, while costs keep rising. And all this for tests that still rely on human judgment and inconsistent conditions. The process is slow for patients and inefficient for providers. At Feyenally, we make eye testing as easy as unlocking your phone. You simply take a photo of each eye, our neural networks measure your refractive error. We train our models based on thousands of images taken by our optometrists, translating clinical science into everyday tools. And today's alternatives include software implementing old subjective methods and specialized hardware, which is accurate but costly. Feyenally bridges that gap, delivering objective, repeatable results with nothing more than your smartphone. Each year, over $15 billion is spent globally on eye exams, with $1.5 billion in the US alone, our first target. Feyenally reaches this market through B2B2C partnerships, working with healthcare providers to cut screening costs and increase capacity, and with eyewear retailers to boost prescription sales and close the e-commerce flow. All this is possible because the eyes don't lie. The structure tells the story. Our team has lived and breathed vision science for over a decade. Before founding Feyenally, Matt and I spent over 12 years building Poland's top eyewear brand, which we successfully exited. Now we are backed by ophthalmology and AI vision experts with proven clinical track record. And after 3 years of data collection and much trial and error, we finally made it work and filed for patent protection. Momentum is clear. We are piloting with Permanente Medicine Mid-Atlantic States. At the same time, we are deploying in Ghana, bringing vision screening to areas with limited infrastructure. And we have other major partners lined up for the next year. And we keep on refining accuracy to match clinical autorefractor standards. All this is part of our mission to bring vision care into the digital age. And our goal is simple: to make basic eye care accessible to everyone, anywhere.